real-time tank filling simulation, fully controlled by a Rockwell Micro850 PLC in Isaac Sim. I designed this tank in Blender with an open face view, so you can see the entire filling process from inside. I developed a custom Isaac Sim extension to control PLC tasks and read real-time tank level directly from the PLC. With one click, the PLC starts the filling process. Every graph you see is synchronized with the PLC logic and Isaac Sim's physics engine. Stop the process at any time. The simulation responds instantly. This is just the beginning. Combining PLC logics, Isaac Sim's physics, and a custom UI unlocks new possibilities for industrial digital twins. Subscribe for more real-time PLC and 3D simulation projects.